I spent 17 years in the Australian Army, and I was trained to adapt and change based on the environment and what was happening in it. And this is the exact world you're living in now, and I'd like to explain how you can do it a bit better. My name's Edward Plant from the Business League, and I'm one of the founders of the Business League, and we run a community of businesses that support each other connect, develop and grow their business. Networking is a critical part of that, and we fast track people's results in that world. So during my 17 years in the Australian Army, we always assessed the environment, understood it, and the environmental factors, which was terrain, space, people, and infrastructure. And we always looked at it, decided what was happening so we knew how to react, how to adapt. And we used a thing called the Boyd cycle, which was the OODA loop, which was observe, orientate, decide, and adapt. And you'd continually do that. The winner is always the person who can cycle through it quickest. So in this environment, in the last 6 months, shit's changing every day. This COVID thing, whatever it is, the legislation's changing, people are having to adapt really quickly. And I'll be honest, those people that are doing the best are able to focus in on what's important and make changes based on that. So one of the key things in our world is your networking. Now, people that are doing the same networking as they did 12 months ago are going nowhere. They're not getting any results. They're sick of Zoom. They're doing this. They're falling behind. They've missed opportunity. Take, for example, I know, let's say some of our members on average get, let's say they get 4 quality contacts a month from following the system, from adapting, from evolving. If they've stayed the same from 6 months ago to now, they won't be getting the 4 contacts. They may be getting half of them or less. So let's say out of the 24 contacts they could have got, they're only getting 10. That means 14 opportunities to sale. Most people convert at 60%. That means that there's 8 sales they've lost in that 6 months because they haven't changed. Now, an average sale for our members is $1,800. That's across all spectrums and everything, so it's a bit of a miscellaneous number, but that's equivalent to $14,000. So they've missed that much money through that one adaptation alone. And that's a base example. So your inability to change at the moment, in your networking especially, is costing your business money. So life is about changing, adapting and moving forward. In the Business League, we've been doing that on steroids and supporting our members do that. So what I'd like to know now is, what's the biggest change you've seen in the last 6 months in business, the environment, your world? Let me know, I'd love to hear. My name's Edward Plant, and I look forward to starting a conversation below with you.